People often ask us at the museum to identify rocks or fossils they've found. How are rocks named? All rocks are mixtures of minerals. A rock's name depends on which minerals it has in it, and how big the grains or crystals are. The three rock families are igneous, with crystals, sedimentary, with grains, and metamorphic, with changed crystals or grains. Some crystals or grains are easy to see. Some minerals have different colours. For rocks with crystals too small to see, a petrological microscope can help. It has a rotatable stage, a light polarizer beneath the stage, and a special analyzer above the stage, which can be in or out. Under plain polarized light, you can see the outlines of crystals, but with the analyzer in, different minerals show up in colour. However, preparing the rock to be seen takes technical expertise. A slide needs a slice of rock cut 0.03 millimeters thick and then polished. This is called a thin section. In the next videos, you can see particular minerals making up the rocks from our collection.